Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about hair glossing treatments, especially if your hair has a tendency to be dry, if you color your hair and it has a tendency to get frizzy. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Okay, so like I shared in my intro, I'm going to be talking to you about hair glossing. First of all, I'm a professional hairdresser, so I've been in the industry my entire life. And one of the products that I've used for many, many years, which is a professional product, is called Redken Shades EQ. And you mix these two products together, right? One is a clear glossing treatment and one is a processing solution. And you mix them together with equal parts and into like either a bowl or into a mixing bottle. You can also add color into this, and it's a deposit only color that's demi-permanent. And it will just go in and it can change the color of your highlights, or it can change the color of gray. It can't change, it can't make darker hair lighter. It can just deposit color in there, and it's demi-permanent, which will only probably last you like 3 or 4 weeks, but it does deposit the color. But it adds a tremendous amount of shine too, which is what most people love about it. I have always used the clear one just to deposit clear gloss into my hair, because my hair has a tendency to get frizzy, dry, and it just like makes the color look dull and drab looking. And that's where I'm at today with my hair. It's dry, it's frizzy. It was colored about 2 weeks ago, so now I have regrowth. But if you look at the top of my head, I have like a layer of frizz going across the top. And I don't like, this was blown out 2 days ago, and you know, it's very humid where I'm at now. I don't mind if the texture of my hair changes, but I don't like it when it gets frizzy and dry looking. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna be using, and this is a fairly new product that Redken came out with, and it's called Redken Acidic Color Gloss. And it's a treatment for the hair that adds a lot of shine and just like conditions the hair so it doesn't add, you know, it doesn't change the color of the hair. It just conditions the hair and makes it glossy and shiny, which is what this does, what this product does. But this product has a processing solution, and it can change the color of your hair. This cannot change the color of your hair. It can just improve the condition of your hair. It has a pH acidity of 3.5 and 4.5, which is perfect for the hair. You wash your hair. They have a shampoo, they have conditioner, they have a heat protectant that you can use in between with your shampoos. I didn't purchase the shampoos, I just purchased the glossing treatment because I was really more interested in using this in between my salon visits. So I go to the salon every 4 weeks, I have my hair cut and colored or whatever and highlighted. And usually by the 2-3 weeks after I've had my hair colored, it starts to get drab looking and it loses its shine and its vibrancy. So I picked this up just to kind of do in between. So it's not to really replace this. It's just as a, you know, a preventive thing in between to kind of keep my hair, you know, healthy and shiny looking and just, you know, look and feel better. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do today. But I wanted you to see my hair before, right? You can see, if you can't really, maybe you can see the dryness, but it gets dry and very frizzy in this. It gets dry and frizzy no matter what, but in the humid weather, it really does get frizzy. And especially, I don't know if you have, like my hair is pretty curly and I blow it out, but if you have curly hair and then you go outside and you know, especially if you color it and you have highlights in it, like the cuticle is already porous and all it needs is a little bit of humidity outside and the hair just expands, and then you get like a layer of frizz all over your hair. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to go into the shower. I'm going to do it, and you can do it while you're in the shower. You only have to put this on for 5 minutes and that's it, as opposed to this one, which are, you know, is 20 minutes that you put it on. So what you do is you go in, you shampoo your hair first. I'm going to be shampooing it with this L'Oreal Metal Detox shampoo. I'll list all these products down below. But this is for, like, where I live, there's hard water, and this is going to go in and neutralize those, the copper and iron and the metals that are in my hair, because they do build up in your hair over a period of time, and before you know it, your hair just feels very dry and crunchy. It'll get brassy, it'll break off, like it's like really bad for your hair, and you don't really notice it until you start to feel the texture in your hair changing. So I have a water filter, and then on top of it I use this Metal Detox shampoo. I use the Metal Detox conditioner, which is what I'm going to use today. So I'm not going to be using the Redken shampoos. I'm just going to be using these because I need to remove, I need to neutralize these metals that are in my hair. Anyway, if you have hard water, like you really should, think about using a shampoo that will neutralize the metals in your hair. Just so, it just comes in this bottle. I think it retails for like $35, but you can get a coupon. I picked it up, I think, at Ulta, and yeah. So anyway, I'll be back and I will show you, I'll show you the blow drying process when I am back out of the shower. And I don't know what I was thinking. You do not need a special bottle to bring in and mix anything up. I guess I was thinking about my original glossing treatment. I just brought this in with me and, shampooed my hair first, right? Put this on, let that sit on for 5 minutes, and then I put a conditioner right over the top of that. And then I rinsed it out, okay? So then I put it up. I use an Aquis Towel all the time, and I just put it up in this towel, which I love these. This has helped my hair tremendously with breakage. You can see that it's, it's not dripping wet, so it does grab a lot of the moisture out of your hair. And then I'm just going to comb through it. All right, I'm gonna blow dry it for you so you can see what it looks like blown out. But since I've hit menopause, my hair has been a little bit more challenging than it's ever been, so. All right, so that's just with the conditioner rinsed out. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use some of this Living Proof Smooth Styling Cream. If your hair has a tendency to get frizzy and just really feeling dry, you should try this. This is like an amazing product. I wouldn't be without it. As a matter of fact, I'm due to get some more. So I go in, I just take like that much, right? It's a very nice spa type smell to it. That's not like sweet or anything like that. And then I'll just kind of pull it through my hair all over. Just kind of rake it through with my fingers. Kind of will focus on this top layer to make sure that, it's getting coated up there where I have a tendency to get frizzy. You can see this is about 2 weeks of regrowth. So this is like at the in-between stage where I would just, go in and use that Redken, acidic glossing. Like I said, it's not a replacement for this, or a glossing treatment that you go to your salon for. Please don't go to your hairdresser and tell her some crazy old lady on YouTube tell you to, you didn't need to do glossing. This is in addition to what you normally have done when your hair starts to get drab and dry looking. And I'm gonna blow it out for you. You'll see the shine that I get with it. So I'll fast forward this part, but you can see for the most part. I use a Dyson Blowdryer. I also have the Revlon brush. I have that too that I use, but this is better for your hair. The Redken brush gets really, really hot. It can be very drying. And a lot of times what I'll do, like today I'm gonna blow the whole thing out, but what I'll do is I'll just blow out these front pieces just to smooth them up a little bit, and then I let the rest of it air dry, and then like tomorrow I would normally go over it with a curling iron just to kind of touch up some of the waves, because when the weather's humid, it's just gonna curl up anyway, so I just really just wanna improve the integrity of the hair so it looks healthy and feels healthy and shiny. So I don't really care about the texture kind of taking over. I almost kind of like it, so. Okay. It's a ceramic brush where it has the bristles on it, and then this inside part here is ceramic, so it grabs onto the heat and kind of gives it a soft, shiny look to it too with this type of brush. there you have it. That is the Redken Acidic Color Gloss. It retails for roughly around $35, but you can find coupons on from Ulta to get like $5 off. They have it on Amazon, so I'll link all the products that I mentioned in the description box below. And I did want to mention one other product that I use in between my shampoos. I typically shampoo my hair like twice a week, more than that, and it's just like it really does dry out the hair. And I don't like to put all that heat back on it again too. But in between, if you've never tried a product, this is called Common, and this also retails for like $35, and it's an elixir that you spray over your hair. And typically what I do in between is I'll just put a few spritzes of this on. I'll take my blow dryer and my brush and I'll just kind of freshen up the blowout that I've done, and it literally takes me like 2 minutes to do. And it just kind of, again, it reduces the frizz, it adds more shine to the hair, and it just makes it look healthier. So anyway, here you go. Here's what it looks like. So you can see that it looks definitely healthier. It feels so much healthier and lighter. So that Detox shampoo actually helps too with neutralizing those metals that are on the hair. Here you go, I'll show you the back. Don't mind my squeaky chair. And here's the back. And yeah, it feels great. It, definitely has improved the, the integrity of my hair. So guys, there you have it. This is what I do in between my my salon visits, just to kind of keep my hair looking just healthy and shiny looking until I get back into the salon and have my roots touched up and then have some type of glossing treatment done there. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you gained any value, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.